Hello guys, that's Keyapp platform for app analytics and app keyword promotion. In the previous video, we have discussed how to do the strategy for your Android application promotion, and in this video, we will discuss how to do the strategy for Apple application because it differs a lot. So first of all, you just log into your account and adding an app. Apple app is added as well as Android one, so you just paste the ID or link into the country where the app is available. Then, of course, you can go to my keywords here or just from there and add all the keywords you would like to check for the popularity, for the ranks, or all the keywords you would like to add to the campaign. As well as for Android applications, for iOS, you can set both at order and campaign. But anyway, if for Android, we have discussed that it is important to promote several core keywords together. For example, app for kids for free, free app book for kids. For iOS, there is no such need because actually for Apple, it is more important how many installs the app gets for the keywords than the app metrics and all these issues. If we are talking about the amount of days to set for iOS app promotion, usually Apple doesn't require long campaign as Google does. For example, for Apple, we usually recommend to set 2-3 days campaign. Sometimes it may be even more than 1 day. So just to check how the keyword reacts. The issue is that Apple algorithm process all the installs faster, and we see the result already the next day or 1 day after the installs were added. So for example, if you add installs today, tomorrow morning you will be already check if the installs give any influence on the position. So let's set 2 days. And basically here the logic is the same. You can add keywords, you can edit keywords, and you can choose already keywords at this stage. For example, plant identifier. Here you see the rank. And please pay attention that usually for Apple, more installs are needed than for Google Play. For example, in the previous video about Android, we have worked with the app which has low positions for the keywords. They are 100 plus. And in that case, we set 10, 12, 15 installs daily during 5-7 days. If we would work with the same app and with the same positions on App Store, we would set not 5-day campaign, we would set 2 days campaign, maximum 3, and set more installs without any daily increase, because for Apple algorithm, it is not so important. So more installs are needed, and even with low positions, we wouldn't do a long campaign for App Store. We would set 2 days and more installs, like 30-50 installs daily. And we would be able already to check the positions and the changes the next day to decide if more installs are needed. So in this case, the app has really high positions for the keyword, and the region is United States. It is one of the most competitive regions. So the positions are in top 10, and in such a cases, usually for App Store, a lot of installs needed, especially if we are talking about some popular regions like Europe, United States, Canada, Australia. So in such a way, we can set, for example, to start with 150 installs daily for 2 days, add these installs and check how the position reacts. So the next day, we would check the changes and decide if 150 installs are enough or we should increase. If there are no changes, we would increase for 20-25% from the amount added previously, and do the same strategy all the time until we get the needed position. So here we pointed the main differences between Google Play and App Store, and you should remember that you should use different approaches to different apps promotion if you are working with Google Play or with App Store. If you need the help with a strategy, please contact our support team.